In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Patreon. We'll cover both removing a single post and deleting multiple posts at once on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can clean up your posts with confidence. First, let's start with deleting a single post. From your Patreon dashboard on desktop, look at the left sidebar and open your library. This is where all of your content lives, organized into tabs so you can quickly find what you need. Inside the library, you'll see two key areas: Posts, which contains content you've published, and Drafts, which holds anything you've saved but haven't published yet. Head to the tab that matches the post you want to remove. Once you locate the postcard, look for the three dots, sometimes called the More or Options menu, usually in the corner of that card. Click those three dots and choose Delete. A confirmation will appear to make sure you really want to remove it. Take a quick moment here to double check you've selected the right post. When you confirm, the post will be removed. Keep in mind that deleting is intended to be final, and patrons will no longer see that content. If the post matters to your records, consider saving a copy of any text or media to your computer before deleting. Now let's handle bulk deletion if you need to remove multiple posts at once. Again, start in your library. Instead of opening each post individually, you'll notice checkboxes next to each postcard. Select the checkboxes for every post you want to delete. As soon as you choose at least one, a delete button will appear at the top of the page. When you're sure your selection is accurate, click Delete. You'll see a pop-up confirming how many posts you're about to remove. This is your last chance to verify your choices, so scan the count and the selected items before finalizing. Confirm in the pop-up, and Patreon will proceed to delete all selected posts together. A couple of closing tips to make this process smoother. Work methodically if you're removing a lot of content, and consider doing it in small batches so you can keep track of what's gone. If you collaborate with a team, let everyone know before you delete anything so there are no surprises. That's it. You now know how to delete a single post and how to bulk delete posts in your Patreon library on desktop. Thanks for watching, and take care as you manage your